Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this very delicious, very easy and fast recipe of Nkwobi. So I hope you enjoy this video, and please, if you do, don't forget to give this video a like and share. Send a comment in the comment section and don't stop watching. And please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to press that red subscribe button to be a part of my family. Thank you so much, guys, and please keep watching. Recipes, I'm going to be using cow leg, then I'm going to be using this account or potash. I'll put the names in the description. I'm going to be using this Ukpaka or ubak. Then I have some crayfish. I'm going to be using this two maggi seasoning. Then I have ehuru, which is blended. This is utazi, is also blended. This is utazi, you guys, and it is also blended. And then I have some spinach leaves. I'm going to be using some of these utazi leaves, and then not forgetting the palm oil. And I'll also use these two scotch bonnet pepper and the salt, teaspoon of dry pepper, and also these two onions. Guys, the first thing I like to do is to cut the cow leg into tiny bits, not too tiny, but into these chunks. And once I cut that, I'm going to wash it properly and then put in the pot. And I'm going to add some onions, and I'm going to add the maggi seasoning, and I'm going to add just one maggi seasoning, you guys, and I'm going to add some dry pepper, and I'll add some water, and I'll cover this and allow this to cook for at least 40 minutes. So while that is cooking, I'm going to quickly prep my other ingredients. So I'm going to add some water into the account and allow it to melt down. And while that is melting down, I'll quickly cut the spinach leaves and also set aside. And I'm also going to cut the onions in circles and set aside. I had also blended the pepper, so I'm going to also sieve the account because I'm going to be using the liquid to make this paste. So at this time, it's more than 40 minutes, it's almost 45 minutes, and the cow leg is so done and so soft. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to, in the same pot, I'll just remove the cow leg and put in a plate. I'll remove the stock, just put everything in a plate. So in the same pot, I'm going to add some palm oil, and I'm going to stir this. Then I'll start adding the liquid from the account. So I'll add this, and when I get the quantity I think I want, I'm going to start stirring. So guys, I'm going to stir this properly for seconds, for some time. I'm going to stir it very, 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 very well. And as I'm stirring, I'm just trying to see that it is thick. So once I get the quantity I think I want, I'm going to then start adding my spices. So for my spices, I'm going to be adding some of the blended ehuru and the blended utazi. Added some crayfish. This is about 2 tablespoons of crayfish, one of the remaining maggi seasoning, and then I added the pepper, salt. And you guys, as I'm adding, I'm stirring and I'm testing. So I felt like I needed to add more of the ehuru and the utazi, the blended ones. I did this, and I added salt and tested, and then I decided to add the stock from the cow meat. I added the stock, and I added the spinach leaves and stirred this properly. Then you guys, for the utazi leaf, I had to just squeeze it and added a little because I had already added the blended utazi. So added a little of that, and then I poured the cow meat into this, stirred very, very well. And lastly, I added the Ukpaka or uba. So once I add the Ukpaka or uba and stir very well, you guys, this is so ready, yummy, done, fast and easy. And this is so delicious, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button to be a part of my family, and also put on your bell notification to know when next I send a video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always being there, and see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.